5 reasons an email autoresponder makes sense for you. It is a well-known fact that the majority of Internet marketers use email autoresponders to build their businesses. They send out constant, pre-arranged messages to their list. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about 5 reasons an email autoresponder makes sense for you. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. And have found it to be one of the best ways to keep in touch with their customers. Most of them will say that autoresponders are very time-consuming to set up, but once you do it, you won't ever want to go back. Let's take a look at 5 reasons why this tool is so useful. The most obvious reason is that you can build a large email database of people who have agreed to receive your emails. All of the hard work of building your list has been done for you. You don't have to do any more, and you can just sit back and collect your checks. This is great for salespeople who need to advertise to thousands of potential buyers at one time. Another reason is that you can send out messages multiple times. With an automatic responder, you can schedule the times that your messages go out. If your next email campaign doesn't do as well as your last one, you can reword your headline, add some content, and send out a new batch. You can even schedule automatic shipments of your product information so that your first sale of the day doesn't mean the end of the day. Autoresponders also keep you on top of the competition by adding valuable product information to your mailing list. It can also simplify your life. Instead of spending hours sending emails back and forth to different contacts, you can have an email autoresponder handle all of those messages for you. You can set up different lists for different customers so that if someone does not respond, you will only be sending them a short note. You will never miss a single email again. That certainly beats spending hours upon hours of your day trying to work out who to send messages to. The 4th reason is that it helps you sell more of your products. An autoresponder can help you promote your products or services more easily. When you have a large list of contacts, it becomes much easier to sell the same information to the same group. You can send sales materials out simultaneously or send sales messages in little batches. The 5th reason is that it can help you make more money. If you use an email autoresponder, you can send out emails about your product and track the response time of each email. You will see where the most responses come from and what words are attracting the most interest. This means that you can change your sales pitches or add copy to gain greater success. You can also use email autoresponders to send out announcements about new products or services. If your product has a high perceived value, you will have more people interested in buying it. And they might buy sooner than if the product was just another good idea. The 6th reason is that you can personalize your emails. If you use the default forms provided by the service, you will be able to address the product information fields in the recipient's language. That will really personalize the way that you send out your promotions. By using an autoresponder service, you will be taking away some of the time-consuming parts of marketing. You will not need to write as many sales letters or write emails as often. And you will know exactly which messages are drawing the most interest so that you can make changes. Personalization is always a good thing, and an email autoresponder makes it much easier to achieve this. You will even be able to set up separate lists for different categories, such as leads, prospects, and friends. Autoresponders will help you save a lot of time. Thanks for watching my video about 5 reasons an email autoresponder makes sense for you. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.